engineering vehicles. Super engineering vehicles. Bulldozer. Assemble bulldozer.
I am Bulldozer. I am good at bulldozing.
There's a lot of rubbish on the road. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you clean it up?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Wow, the road is so clean! Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.
Super engineering vehicles. Dumper. Assemble dumper.
I am Dumper. I am good at dumping.
The construction site has run out of sand. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me transport some sand?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Put up the traffic cones. Load the sand. The sand is ready. Watch out for obstacles. Use rockets and oil tanks to speed up. Flip the switch and unload the sand.
Yeah, so much sand! Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.
Crane. Assemble crane.
I am very strong.
The doors and windows to the garden villa haven't been installed yet. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Door. Window. Window. Door. Window. Window. Wow! All the doors and windows have been installed. Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet. Mixer truck. Assemble mixer truck.
Hi, I am Mixer Truck. I am good at mixing concrete.
The construction site has run out of concrete. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Add some sand. Add some cement. Add some water. Turn on the switch. Turn on the switch.
Wow, so much concrete. Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.